Hello everyone, I'm back again with a new video and I want to let you know one thing. Now I'll be providing you a series of videos which will help you to enhance your pronunciation. And there is one important thing, these videos are not going to be very long. These videos will hardly be 4 or 5 minutes and you have to watch these videos again and again to enhance your pronunciation. These videos are not only for students but for parents and other people also who help their words in doing their homework. So, let's come to the video. I want to know one thing, whether it is asked or asked. Does it sound unfamiliar? Asked. Whether it is attacked or attacked. Today in this video we are going to clarify all these differences. So let's get started. The basic pronunciation of ed is as it is, like tried, lived, seemed, failed. But ed is pronounced in its original form with voiced consonants and vowels, like which are voiced consonants and vowels. This is the sign, you can see it is the, v, v, d, z, z, m, n, I. How you will come to know whether it is voiced or unvoiced? If you put your tongue on your throat, you will feel some kind of vibration, like pronounce with as I pronounce the, v, b, z, z, m, n, and there are many more like this. With these and with all vowels, ed is pronounced as it is, ed. Tried, lived, seemed, failed. But now come to the most important part or most important pronunciation of ed, where we mostly make mistakes. Ed is pronounced t. What? Yeah, you are listening right. T after unvoiced consonants. Which are unvoiced consonants? Remember, the thing which we did earlier you have to do again. Put your finger on your throat and pronounce these. P, K, F, S, SH means sh. It is the phonetic sound of phonetic symbol of CH is this. CH, TH. This is the phonetic symbol of TH. You will find in standard dictionaries. It is not stopped. It is stopped. Stop. Past. This is not past. This is past. This is not laughed. It is laughed. This is laughed. And the last. This is not watched. It is watched. It is watched. And now let's come to the last pronunciation of ed. Last but not the least. Ed. This is the easiest one. Id. Ed is pronounced as id after d and t. Remember, we have not included d in this. Okay? Ended. And id. And id. Started. Decided. I hope you have learned something from this video and you have to watch this video again and again until you have mastery over the pronunciation of ed, and this is going to be very helpful to you. Okay, bye-bye.